to a sim code. Hey, are you ready for more coding fun? Like this video and hit subscribe to stay updated with more awesome tutorials. Assembly Language Constants, NASM x86. This program demonstrates the use of constants in assembly. We will 1. Define named constants using equate. 2. Use constants in calculations. 3. Show immediate constants, hard-coded values. 4. Print constant values using sys_write. Data segment, initialize values. A null terminated string. New line character for formatting output. BSS segment, uninitialized storage. Reserve space for a computed result. Code segment, executable code. Define the entry point for execution. Defining constants using EQ. The eq directive creates named constants. These are fixed values that cannot be changed at runtime. Define pi as 3.14 multiplied by 100 for integer precision. Define a fixed tax rate of 18%. Define a constant integer 50. Using constants in calculations. We cannot modify eq constants, but we can use them in calculations. Load constant number, 50, into EX register. Add tax_rate, 18, now EX equals 50, plus 18, equals 68. Store the result, 68, in memory. Using immediate constants, hard-coded values. We can also use numbers directly without defining them as constants. Load immediate constant 100 into EBX. Subtract 40, now EBX equals 100, 40 equals 60. Printing constant values using system call, sys_write. Linux provides a system call, sys_write, to print messages. We must store x equals 4, sys_write. X equals 1 stout. X equals address of message. X equals message length. Length of assembly constants. Address of message in memory. File descriptor, stout equals 1. System call number for sys_write. Call Linux kernel to print message. Print a new line for better formatting. Length of new line character. Address of new line character. System call for sys_write. Print the new line. Exiting the program, sys_exit. Every program must exit cleanly using the sys_exit system call. X equals 1, sys_exit. X equals 0, exit status. System call number for sys_exit. Exit status 0, success. Call kernel to terminate program. End of program constants successfully demonstrated. That's it for today. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date with new videos.